Hi friends, so I have a brand new video to share with all of you. I participated in the swap called All Things Shabby, which was hosted by Letty, and it was a very successful swap. And as you can see that I have beautiful stuff right here on my table, and now I'm going to go ahead and share with you all what all I have received in my beautiful swap. So I'm doing a voiceover because I don't know, my voice was not coming properly in my previous video, so there can be a little difference between what I say and what I show, so please bear with me. So I'm just waiting, when I'm going to start showing stuff. I don't know what was I speaking. Yeah, so let's wait. Yeah, my god, I speak so much. Yeah, so this is the first card which I got, and it was made by Carmen, and it's a beautiful card. As you can see, beautiful trims and the vintage image which I love the most. And she wrote inside, "Thank you for swapping with me, hugs Carmen." So thank you so much, Carmen, for this beautiful card. You've put in a lot of effort. And now the next thing up is this beautiful card from amazing Letty herself. So as you can see, she has made this beautiful colored tilde image. I am totally in love with tildas, but I don't know how to color them. Like, I love magnolia images, and it's a calendar which I'm planning to put on my desk and mark few things out. So that's a very useful thing. Thank you so much, Letty, for this amazing easel card. And it has all the beautiful shades of pink which I love the most, and it's very sturdy and it's super beautiful. So let me just go ahead and keep this aside, and then I'm going to show you all the next thing up which I got in the swap. So now the next thing which I have got is this wonderful mirror. Yeah, so I've been seeing this mirror all over, like people who have got the swap before me, and I so wanted it. I was like, I wish I get it. And yes, there you can see me. Yay! And see, I'm speaking like that was not the voiceover. That was the original thing which I was trying to speak. And I think I was winking too. Yeah, you'll see me winking. Yeah, there you go. Yeah. So yes, I like this mirror a lot, and I'm planning to use it. It's so shabby and so cute. Thank you so much. And the next thing up is this beautiful pincushion. I desperately needed it for my sewing table. I've started sewing, but not that much. Like, I'm trying to take some baby steps. So hopefully I'll share something soon. Not like very soon, but probably in April or maybe May. Yeah, after April it comes May. And now the next thing up is this wonderful banner which is so cute. It's simple and super pretty, and I'm planning to put it in my room at the corner, and I'm planning to decorate something for Valentine's Day, as tomorrow it's Valentine's Day, and I'm sure my husband is expecting something, but believe me, I've not prepared anything for it. I'm such a doofus. So I'll go ahead and do something, like maybe in the evening. So that is something which I have for from, I don't know the name. And now this one, I know this one is made by Carmen, and this one is my absolute favorite. It's so shabby. I don't know whether it's a Pringles can, but whatsoever it is, it's so creative. Look at this dangle charm and the beautiful way the fabric is rolling around the entire container. And I love the trims and the charm. The dangle charm is my favorite, and on top of it, I think it's the Christmas ornament which she has covered with fabric, and it's super pretty. It makes a perfect knob for opening this box, and inside there are a lot of goodies. So first thing was this IKEA napkin, which recently I've learned how to do Mod Podging with it. Elizabeth, she showed in her video, and inside there's a bunch of stuff which right now I'm just going to put it on my, not throw it, like on the table, so that I can show you one by one what all is there. It's a voiceover, so there will be a difference between my actions and my voice, so please don't mind that. So the first thing which I got, this amazing washi tape, a vintage washi tape. I have been using a lot of washi tapes. And next one is this beautiful bonbon flowers. So, and along with this I also got this beautiful set of charms. They're so cute. I'm a sucker for charms, so send me as many as you want. I'll always have less. So these are beautiful charms which I got, and I'm definitely going to use them, and they are again going into my huge vault of charms. And then this one is a cute bow which I think I'll use while making a card. And then another cupid, I have loads of them, so this one again goes to my collection. Thank you so much, Carmen, for this. And then she also sent me some shabby beads and a very beautiful metal safety pin. And so these things, like, definitely every crafter needs, so thank you so much again for this. And then this is alterable purse, which I think I'm going to alter very soon. So yay, I'm so excited. I've got beautiful stuff from beautiful crafters all over, and this swap was one amazing idea. Like, I mean, there's so many things which I have got from different artists, and it's a fun way, you know, to make things, to have a reason to craft, you know. So now let me show you the next thing. Next thing was this amazing milk glass jar, and it's beautifully altered. Look at the beautiful wonder flower which is on the top, and I totally love it. I love making wonder flowers. I don't know what they are called, but I think on Facebook everybody calls them wonder flowers. I think it's the name of a beautiful crafter, after which everybody has named it Wanda. And then now this is a beautiful spool with a pin cushion made by Archana. So Archana makes beautiful stuff. I call her Archana Dee because, like, in India we call elders with some respect. So she's an Indian, so I prefer calling her Archana Dee. I find it very odd when I call her Archana. So this beautiful thing was made by Archana Dee, and her work is beautiful. So yeah, that thing has come off. I'm so sorry. I'm going to fix it. The postal system is really bad. They gave me a hard time in receiving this package, believe me. Like, I had to wait for like 10 days, like, from my expected delivery date. Yeah. So now the next thing is this small bag, and in this Archana has sent me some pins and some spools, scissor charms, cabochon, a cake charm, and those two beautiful chandelier drops. I love chandelier drops. I have so many of them with different sizes, and I love using it. She'd also sent this beautiful set of Prima petals, and I love Prima. Everybody knows it. I keep on bragging about it in my videos all the time. And then there's this beautiful stamp, Little Miss Muffet stamp. Yeah. So I'm not much of a stamp person, but this is going to be my first image stamp, so that goes into my collection. And then this tin heart was also sent by Archana with some beautiful beads inside. Thank you so much, Archana, for this heart tin box. It's such a cute one. And now I'll go ahead and open another set of stuff. Okay, see, as you can see that, like, I was way too hooligan while opening it, so all the pearls, they've spread out. So I'm trying to collect those pearls and put them in the tin which Archana they had sent to us. So just bear with me for a second. Yeah, they all are inside the tin. So now you can see that in the video I'm very soon going to show you all what all stuff was there. So yeah, as you can see, these are the two beautiful pearl sprays which I received, and I was in like hunt for these pearl sprays. I love using pearl sprays, that too in form of leaf, and that's a very pretty twinkly ribbon with some mulberry flowers. And yes, she also sent me action wobble. I'm so excited to use this one. I always wanted an action wobble, and I think I'm gonna make something really nice with this action wobble very soon. And she'd also sent these tiny flowers which are super cute and super fun to use, and then these love tickets. And so thank you so much again for sending me these. and there's a beautiful card which she has written for me. Thank you so much, my sweetie, for your gorgeous wall hanging and extra goodies you sent me. Thank you for participating in my swap. I hope you like what I made for you. Enjoy. Big hugs, Letty. So thank you so much, Letty, for liking the stuff which I had sent you, and your friendship is always important to me. And now let me show you some more stuff which I got. These are some more sprays, some beautiful shabby sprays which I'm going to put some good use. And there's this shabby trim which also came in my package. So I love using sprays. And then look at this one. This one I'm going to hoard it forever. I simply love these beautiful flowers and the pearls. It's a beautiful spray. And now, last but not the least, the best of all, my favorite is this beautiful manner which is made by Letty herself. Look at all the details. I don't know. I'm simply amazed by this lady, how she does it. Like, her work is superb, and she made like 5 of these. I would have never had so much of patience to make so many things like at a go. Like, thank you so much, Letty, for this beautiful banner. This is going straight to my craft room. In fact, I wish I could, like, maybe I'll try to click a picture and add it. So this is pretty much what I have received in this beautiful swap. And I'm really thankful to each one of you for taking out time and making such beautiful things for all of us. And thank you so much again. I hope you all have a wonderful weekend or weekday. I don't know when I'm going to publish it. And thank you so much for visiting my channel and liking it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I'm gonna be a little inactive for a few days as I have a big exam coming up in my college. I've started doing college and it really keeps me busy. So I have exam coming up, so I don't think I'll be able to craft for next 1 month. So I hope to see you all again soon. And I know I'm due for a lot of giveaways. I'm going to post them as soon as I'm done with exams. So please bear with me. Thank you again. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, the like button, and please don't forget to leave your beautiful comments below. Thank you so much again.